Okay guys, thank you for your purchase of myspeechmarketing.com. My name is Sam and I'd like to tell you a little bit about this course and my thoughts behind creating it. I just came back from a run, guys. I'm kind of out of breath. I used to work for a Fortune 500 company, GM, and I struggled with dyslexia. And this is when they weren't doing so hot, before they got bailed out. In the midst of this, they went out and purchased literally over $100,000 worth of software tools to be able to help a lot of their employees were scattered throughout the region, and English wasn't their first language. So I took that idea and I used it for the Spanish market. Now you could create campaigns in any language you like, but I highly recommend that you use this training to promote to the Spanish market, because that is really thriving. And you can do a simple Google search to see how profitable it is. This is Forbes here. This is just one of the many quotes, but Forbes, everybody seems to, their data is correct. So, but like I said, you can just do a simple Google search and see the benefits of promoting in the Spanish market. This says, according to the U.S. Census data, the number of Spanish speakers in the country has been continuously growing since 1980, from an estimated 10 million to 15 million in 1990, 25 million in 2000, and 37 million in 2015. And it is estimated to reach 41 million in the next 3 years. So, there's no, it's not slowing down. So even though it goes on to say, even though they're born in the United States, they still prefer to use their native language of Spanish. Let me show you this is a PayPal thing that I recorded a couple days ago of showing you some proof of. Hey guys, Sam here. So that's just a quick PayPal of my recent, a couple weeks ago or a couple of months. But yes, it is possible. So I'll be providing a squeeze page builder. It's a private label rights tool that I will provide to you guys in turn for your purchase of this, and I'll be doing the training with that page builder. Also, I'll probably do it in Landing Page Monkey 2 and maybe another different platforms, but we're going to be going over a lot. But for those of you that don't have a page builder, that software is plenty to get you up and going and create a campaign and start driving traffic to it. Let's get back to the marketing side. You could use this training if you struggle with dyslexia, if you hate to type, if English is not your first language, but definitely for the Spanish market. We're going to be going over a lot, and I hope you guys really enjoy this. And so continue on to the next step and we'll get started with everything. Talk to you guys in a second.